Steamed egg or Chinese-style egg custard is one of Asia's most comforting and delicate dishes. It's light, silky, and incredibly versatile. Perfect on its own with rice or as a side for any meal. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to make that perfectly smooth, melt-in-your-mouth steamed egg using just a few ingredients. Start by gently beating the eggs until well mixed, but avoid creating bubbles. Foam leads to an uneven surface. Once smooth, add water or warm stock, with a typical ratio of 1 part egg to 1.5 to 2 parts liquid. Season lightly with salt. The richer the broth, the more flavorful the result. After mixing, strain the egg mixture through a fine sieve 2 times. This removes any chalaza or foam and ensures a silky texture. Pour into a shallow bowl and cover with cling film or a plate to prevent condensation from dripping during steaming. Bring water to a boil in your steamer, then reduce to the lowest possible simmer. Steam the egg gently for about 8 to 10 minutes, keeping the lid closed the entire time. The slow, low steam is key to getting that pudding-like texture. Once set, finish with a dash of light soy sauce, a few drops of sesame oil, and optionally a sprinkle of chopped scallions. If you'd like to add toppings like minced pork, dried shrimp, or mushrooms, make sure they're cooked first and placed at the bottom of the dish before pouring in the egg mixture. The secret to success lies in using the right egg-to-water ratio, straining the mixture well, covering the dish tightly, and maintaining low consistent heat during steaming. That's how you get that flawless custard-like finish. What you need is 2 eggs, water about 300 milliliters, salt a pinch, light soy sauce 0.5 teaspoon for serving, sesame oil, a few drops for serving, spring onion is optional, and calories is approximately 120 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you love simple, elegant, home-style cooking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where comfort food is always done right.